Everyone swears by the Pomodoro Technique, right? Work for 25 minutes, break for 5, and repeat. But here's the shocking truth. Most students fail with Pomodoro. Why? Because the system is rigged against your brain. And today, I'll show you a simple 3-minute hack that flips the script. It's the trick top students use to actually focus and boost their grades. Once you hear this, you'll never look at studying the same way again. Hi, I'm your name, and I help students stop wasting time with broken productivity tricks and finally study smarter. If you've ever tried Pomodoro and ended up scrolling TikTok during your so-called breaks, this is for you. Here's the real problem. Pomodoro assumes your brain can fully focus in 25-minute blocks. But research shows it takes the average student 15 to 20 minutes just to enter deep focus. So when the timer rings, you're not in flow, you're just warming up. Then comes the 5-minute break, which completely kills the momentum you barely built. Add social media into the mix, and suddenly your 5-minute break turns into a 30-minute doom scroll. In short, Pomodoro works against your brain's natural rhythm instead of with it. So, what do top students do differently? Here's the hack. Before starting any study session, spend just 3 minutes on what I call focus priming. It's simple. First, set your environment. Clear your desk, silence your notifications, and open only what you need. Second, do micro-planning. Write down one single task you'll finish in the next 25 to 30 minutes. Not 3, not 5, just 1. And third, use a trigger ritual. Do the same small action before studying every time, like deep breathing, stretching, or even playing the same short song. In just 3 minutes, your brain locks in, so when you actually start working, you're already in flow. And here's the crazy part. Once your brain is primed, you don't even need Pomodoro anymore. You'll naturally fall into 45, 60, even 90 minutes of deep focus, without forcing timers, without constant breaks, and without distractions. Think about it. 3 minutes of priming can save you hours of wasted studying. That's not just a hack, that's a cheat code. So the next time someone tells you to just do Pomodoro, smile, because now you know the truth. Pomodoro doesn't fail because of you. It fails because it's incomplete. But with this 3-minute ritual, your focus becomes unstoppable. And so do your grades. If you found this eye-opening, hit subscribe because I am dropping more study hacks that schools don't want you to know. Your grades deserve more than outdated methods. Let's level up together.